Hey guys, Angela here. Today we are going to head on an adventure. It's Friday, it's a gorgeous day, and we're going to head to Montreal Falls, I think. I've never been there. I just kind of decided that all of a sudden this morning to go on an adventure. Just randomly picked a spot, Googled it, and we're going to head out there. I just wanted to say a few things. This road out to the Montreal Falls, it is a private road. There's a lot of camps out here, but they do allow people to use it to get to the falls. Please respect that if you come out here, and stay just on this road. Don't be going off and, wrecking things or off on trails that are not this road, because this is a beautiful spot and it really takes like one or two jerks to really ruin it for everybody, and I would hate to not be able to come out here. So with that being said, I hope you enjoy this. Beautiful gate in the middle of nowhere. So I found the trail. I love that it's not really very well marked on how to get out here or what's out here. A beautiful day. It's, I think, around 70 degrees, October 1st. I hate being on a time crunch. I only have about an hour that I can hike, and then I should head back. That road was pretty rough, not really easy to drive that in a hurry, especially if you meet somebody. There's so many corners and ups and downs, so I wouldn't want to be traveling very fast. But that's okay. We'll see if we can get to the falls. I think there's a lower falls and then an upper falls. I can't believe this is out here. This is what I love, just driving and exploring and picking a destination and just going for it. Look at this. How cool is that? Wow. These poor trees hanging on. Oh, the sound of the lake is my favorite sound in the whole world. Clearing out. I can hear the falls. Look at how beautiful all around me. This is what adventures are for. Upstream. Look at how calm it is here. Must be good fishing here, I bet. I believe there's an Upper Falls up here somewhere. I'm not sure how far. I really have to pee, actually. But I don't want to take the time to stop. Because I think there's nobody ahead of me finally. I think the people I just passed are the only people out here right now. And I want to get out to this Upper Falls without anybody else there. It seems like it always happens where I will be hiking and I catch up to somebody like right before I get to the falls or whatever it is that I'm going for. Which is fine, but then they're just in the way and I can't really film. I'm not super comfortable filming like I want to if there's other people there, which is something I need to work on. I'll get there. Look at these cute mushrooms. There's so many different kinds out here. So I guess this is like some sort of bend here. I want to fish right there. There's some rapidy things over there. This water looks so good. I'm getting so hot. And the sound's really making me have to pee now. Whoa. Look at this one. That's like a legit toadstool right there. I can hear the sound of more rushing water ahead. I'm getting warm. I'm gonna have to shed my lightweight sweatshirt pretty soon. I'm so lucky right now to live here. Well, I don't live here. It was a bit of a drive, but this area is so gorgeous. This is my favorite kind of hiking right here. Just, there's a trail, but it's really off the beaten path, like middle of nowhere, following a river. I did that a lot as a kid. There was a few little streams, rivers, creeks, whatever, near my home, and I would just follow them. Nobody ever knew where I was. It was probably pretty dangerous, but that's what I did. And here I am, still doing it. Oh, I think this is going to be a good one. It's really sounding good. I'll turn the camera around so you can see it. Oh my goodness. I didn't know it was like this. Wait till you see this. Woo! Look at that. I could cry. I didn't know it was like that. That is gorgeous. Let me get down this little hill. That has got to be deafening when there's actual high water. Wow. What a gem. Literally the middle of nowhere. Wow. Woo! The sun just came out and it's illuminating the waterfall right now. Look at that. It's perfect. Well, I'm headed back out. I really, really don't want to head home yet. I would love to spend a whole weekend here, just slowly going through here. Camping in a hammock would be perfect. So that's on my to-do list eventually. It's also lunchtime. I'm eating one of these Chops turkey jerky sticks. Not sponsored, but if they want to sponsor me, I will happily take it. I eat a lot of them. They're really good. None of the junk in them. And they have really good protein. I also brought a avocado, and I brought my knife to cut it open, but I neglected to bring any sort of eating utensil. So I guess I'll just have to be munching on that if I even bothered to take the time. I have roughly 2.5 hours to get back. That's like getting back at the last minute. I have 2.5 hours. And I still have to hike all the way back out. And it's about an hour and a half drive, depending on who gets in front of me and how much road construction and closures and all that crap there is. Upper Michigan is well known for pretty much summer and fall being construction season. So I really have no time to spare. I'm really probably going to be cutting it close. And oh well, mom life priorities. Quick hike and then gotta be back in time to meet the bus for the child. These are choke cherries. There's a whole bunch of them here. Too bad I don't like them that much. I've heard they make really good wine though, choke cherry wine. I will have to try it someday. Beautiful. In other news, I finally lost my toenail. I hung on. It's been what, 6 weeks? It's been about 6 weeks since my last Porky's hike, in which I got the blister under my toenail that eventually puffed up and swelled my toe enough to lift up my toenail. And now it's been, it's kind of gross, but it's been kind of like flapping there for a while. I've had to have a band-aid on it for probably at least the last month because the one side just wasn't letting go. So I finally had to slowly peel it off of there, and it was scary, but it finally let go. We all have to let go sometimes. See the toad? I almost stepped on him. Get off the trail, mister. I always try to chase them off so they don't get stepped on. There you go. Bye. This is cool. I have a stream coming right through this ginormous tree. It's well watered. Wow. Look at those roots. It's amazing. Yay! Made it to the end. It's funny, I didn't remember that last stretch to be so long. On the way out, it was so new. And there she is. There's Foxy. This gate is cool. Wow. Look at that thing. There's someday I'll have a big old van and I'll just travel around. That's my dream. This is a very narrow road, so just be cautious of other vehicles oncoming. And it's possible you might get stuck behind somebody that's slow, which is what's happening to me right now. But that's okay. Oh wow. Is this beautiful? I'll turn the camera around so you can see. Like a rally driver. I would love to be a rally driver. If anyone needs a rally driver, let me know. No, honestly, one of my dreams is to be in the Rebel Rally. I'm not sure exactly how you say it, but it's a all-women's rally. It's on my bucket list. Avocado after all. Thank you for coming along with me. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. Feel free to leave a comment about whatever you want. I'm always happy to hear from you guys. You can find me on Facebook. I do a little more there, and then also on TikTok. Both Facebook and TikTok are under Gypsy Trekker. If you're not already subscribed and you liked my video, please feel free to subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye!